Subnet-Watcher is a tool which enables you to automatically check your subnets in AWS VPC for variety of things such as whether the subnet has the correct number of available IP addresses and the number of detached network cards. It also allows you to take action if any of these actions are not met, such as sending an alert email notification and also automatically record a CloudWatch metric. There are a lot of metrics which this uses, and I will drop the link of this GitHub repo in video's description. Installation is fairly simple. All you need to do is to just download or clone this repo and then run this make deploy, and it will go into this make file and then create this template. Behind the scene, it is using AWS SAM, which in return uses AWS Lambda. This one, which primarily uses Boto3 to interact with your AWS infrastructure, mainly the subnets and VPC, and then it extracts the relevant information. So fairly nifty tool if you um, looking for flexibility in monitoring your subnets, then you can use this tool freely, and it is there are no charges at all. So I find it very nifty, very useful, because if you are running lot of subnets and lot of VPCs and lot of accounts, then it is nearly impossible to monitor them for these metrics manually. I hope that you found it interesting. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.